planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning May 25th to the 31st and using the Bella kit from Paper Muse Crafts. I purchased this kit last year and it's no longer in her shop. I've had this for a while now. And she sells her kits in a 3-page mini kit, but also offers a 4th page, which includes a lot of like half boxes and quarter boxes and things like that, which I personally really enjoy having. I don't know what the heck I was thinking when I placed this order because I usually buy that 4th page. But since I did pick up quite a few things in light gold foil from Panda Bird Design that I'm going to be pulling into this spread to help complete it. But this is what came in the kit. So this is the freebie that came with my kit, these adorable matching bows, which I really love. And as I said, this kit is foiled in light gold foil, so it's really beautiful. These are the full boxes, and then we have some quarter boxes at the bottom here. On this page, we have the bottom washi, which is also foiled. She recently reformatted her headers, and so we're on this, in her old format, you got just one set of foiled headers and you got script headers. What she's gotten rid of inside the main kit are the script headers, and now you'll just get much more foiled headers, which I personally prefer, although I do really love the font that she uses on her script headers. She will still be selling these separately, so you can get them as an add-on to your kit if you did prefer those. And then on the side here, we have some arrows. On the last page of this kit, we've got our sidebar stickers, some checklists, page flags, cut washi, some deco, and then of course the quarter boxes and half boxes. I'm really excited about getting started planning this week, so if you would like to see how this spread comes together, please just keep watching.
Starting my spreads as I usually do by putting down the base, which includes my bottom washi, date covers, and then I'll move into my sidebar. For the bottom washi, I love the top strip with the bows. I think that bow style that she has there is just so dainty and pretty. Then for the date dots, those are from Panda Bird Designs, and I'm using date covers from Rose Colored Days. And I thought the font of those date covers from Rose Colored Days complemented this kit really well. So once I have all of those down, I'll get started on my sidebar, and I'm placing down the quote box, which I love. It says, "What if I fall? But oh my darling, what if you fly?" And I just think that is so great. Right above it, I'm putting down a scalloped half box from Panda Bird Design and then layering a month script from Rose Colored Days on top of that. Then I've added one of these not dividers, it's a header from Panda Bird Design, but it actually looks like a divider. It's so gorgeous. I really love that like leaf print. And then just building out my different sections in my sidebar, I'm going to track my dinners for the week, some school assignments, and then also adding a habit tracker to mark my workouts for the week. So the quarter boxes that I use to frame out the script area in the sidebar are from a sampler from Rose Colored Days, and then the scripts as well are also from Rose Colored Days that I'm using in the sidebar. And I actually believe those are her sandstone colored ones. I did not have light gold scripts for my sidebar, so I went with those, and I thought they coordinated with this kit pretty well because the color's very similar. On to Monday, it was Memorial Day, and I had the day off of work, which is the first time I've been off of work since I've been working from home. And so it was really nice to not have to think about work or school and just take a day. That was actually quite relaxing. Since I've been working from home, I haven't had a day where I haven't had to think about either one of those. So that was nice. To mark Memorial Day, I used a scalloped half box from Panda Bird Design, and the script is from Artbox Stickers. And then that Lazy Day, the girl is from the GP Studio. The Lazy Day script is from Rose Colored Days. And then underneath there, I've added a 3rd box from Panda Bird Design and just marked reviewing my weekly budget. And that little money stack is from Rose Colored Days. Then I added the full box for Monday, the light gold foiled header above the full box is from Rose Colored Days as well. Then I just used the flower deco from the kit to mark the podcast that I was listening to for that week because I did not have a light gold foiled podcast sticker. And then just used a TV icon from honey inked to mark that I was catching up on Grey's Anatomy, and I am several seasons behind. I was in like season 14, but I did some binge watching of Grey's Anatomy on Monday and Tuesday and got myself all the way through season 14. I'm going to make some changes to what I did at the top of Tuesday, so we'll get back to that in a second. I put down another one of those headers from Panda Bird Design and a quarter box to mark that my B6 plan with me went live on Tuesday. And then here I'm swapped. I didn't like how I'd written that, so I'm adding a box from Panda Bird Design. It's another one of the third boxes, and then I'm going to layer this little half butterfly on top of it. And I thought that butterfly wing was so cute. I'm just marking that it was back to work and also the week of work from home that it's been, because I've been keeping track of that in my planner. On Wednesday, I put down a bow header from Panda Bird Design and then added this little potted flower from the kit. And I'm layering a Instagram icon from Artbox Stickers on top of that. I always mark my midweek post and share what's happening in my planner up to Wednesday on Wednesdays each week on Instagram. Then I used a laptop from Artbox Stickers, and that email script is from Letters to Apollo, just to mark going through some emails for work. At the bottom of the column on Wednesday, I added another one of those scalloped half boxes from Panda Bird Design, and the workout script is from Letters to Apollo. Putting down the full box on Wednesday, I put down that half box. I wasn't sure what I wanted to put there yet, but I knew I wanted that amount of spacing there. So I put it down as kind of a placeholder before adding the full box, and then decided to add one of those bow dividers on top of that half box just to give it a little bit of deco. Then went back over to Monday. I felt like that empty white space needed something, so I decided to add this squiggle from Panda Bird Design. On Tuesday, I'm adding a to-do header. I needed to turn in my discussion questions replies for school, so I got that done, and I used another one of those laptop stickers from Artbox Stickers. The little post-it note is from Paper Muse Crafts, but not from the kit. It was actually on a freebie that I had gotten from Paper Muse Crafts. The flourish underneath there is from Panda Bird Design, and then I added a page flag from the kit, used a little credit card icon from Regina Laughs to mark a CVS run. My husband had hurt his back, so I went to go pick up like some Salon Paws, some muscle relaxer for his back to help him feel better. On to Wednesday, I put down some floral deco from the kit and added a cell phone from Regina Laughs. Like I said, I didn't have a podcast icon, but I listen to podcasts on my phone, so that felt appropriate. I found this new podcast I started listening to. It was called Black Women Working, and I really enjoyed it. And it also made me feel a little sad for myself because it's indicative of how much I miss being in a work atmosphere, that I now want to listen to a podcast about people talking about work. Yikes. I swear at one point in my life, I thought working from home would be like the greatest thing in the whole world. Clearly, it's not for me. Anyways, on to Thursday through Sunday, I put down headers for each of those days and then put down the full boxes for the second half of the week. The full box that I put on Thursday is usually my favorite, and it absolutely is for this kit. I love that girl in her fancy princess dress. So cute. And then I'm just scattering the rest of my full boxes. On Friday, it was payday. Always a good thing. And so I'm using a scalloped half box from Panda Bird Designs. I feel like I keep saying Panda Bird Designs. I used a lot of her stuff this week. That payday script is also from her. And I needed to shift around the full box on Sunday because I wanted to add a header above it. Then back to Thursday, I put down the bow divider from Panda Bird Designs and a page flag from the kit. That laptop icon actually came from a freebie from Sticker Bloom. And I was just doing some more stuff for school, just homework replies. And then this to-do header came from the kit. I'm going to add a half box, just marking some things I needed to do for work. It was a busy day. I don't know why I didn't notice until it was Thursday. And usually I'm way more aware of when we're coming up on month end at my job. I work in finance. And so the end of the month always gets really busy for us. And it had been a crazy busy week. And in my head, I attributed it to the fact that we were off on Monday. So I was just like, oh, we just have a lot to do, or heavy workload because we missed a day. And it didn't dawn on me until Thursday. I was like, no, dummy, like, we're coming up on the end of the month. That's why there's so much to do. Oh gosh, it was a busy work day. Anyways, Added another one of those scalloped half boxes to remind myself to reply to YouTube comments. So I tried to stay on top of that. And then I'm using another one of those deco florals from the kit and layering a little cutlery icon from Rose Colored Days on top of it to mark cooking dinner. And then Thursday was kind of a really very tough day. My husband and I had sat down and talked about everything that was going on with George Floyd and everything that's happening in the country right now. And it's a tough conversation. It's a difficult thing to deal with. He and I are both Black, and it's not a new conversation we've had to have with each other. It sucks, and it's a conversation we have to have often. But then we ended the night watching Blackish. They have a couple of kind of very poignant episodes, just about the things that Black people go through in America. And they do it in a way that can be kind of relieving and soothing and funny. And I think it helped. So we watched a couple of episodes of Blackish that night, and I think it was really good for myself personally, for my mental health. On to Friday, I marked that it was month in for work. That work header is, of course, from the kit. Then I added the quarter box and another squiggle from Panda Bird Design. I used a page flag and the little spray bottles from Rose Colored Days to mark cleaning out the fridge, and then used a appointment label from the kit. The plan script was from Panda Bird Design, and that little girl sitting on top of her planner was from the GP Studio. On Saturday, I added a half box and layered the little half butterfly wing on top of that with a to-do script. I uploaded a haul video and was also editing this plan with me that you're watching right now. And then I used some cut washi from the kit with an appointment label to mark that I'd wash dishes. I'm going to make a change to how that's marked later, but then underneath there, I added a bow scalloped corner from Panda Bird Design and layered a nail polish sticker from Artbox Stickers on top of that to mark painting my nails. And then on Sunday, above the full box, I'm adding a washi strip and then a laundry day script from Panda Bird Designs. Just, of course, to mark doing some laundry. That was pretty self-explanatory. Anyways, on to the top of Monday, I put down a page flag from the kit, layered that cute little like origami crane deco, and added that my plan with me, this one you're watching right now, went live. Used another one of those headers with that adorable leaf print that I'm obsessed with, and then used a half box from the kit. The school script is from Rose Colored Days, and I was working on my final paper. I'm almost done. Will be finished with this class pretty soon, obviously, so I'm working on my final paper, and then I only have one more class after this to finish up my MBA, and I'm so excited. On Saturday, I added a half box and that little planner cart sticker is from the GP Studio. I organized my stickers after I finished doing my haul. I really enjoy putting things away and putting my stickers where I can find them. And then this is where I went back to switch up how I'd marked washing dishes. I layered one of the floral deco pieces with these cute dishwashing stickers. I totally forgot I had this cleaning sticker sheet from Paper Blush Bar, and like gold foil matched this kit perfectly, and she's so many cute little dishwashing stickers. I'm obsessed. Finishing up on Sunday, I'm adding a scalloped half box and then a quarter box, and then I decided to layer up one of those bow dividers to decorate that quarter box, and then added some running shoes from the GP Studio and a workout script that was actually from my old freebie when I used to be on Letters to Apollo's PR team. And that's such a cute workout script that I didn't even realize I had in like gold foil. I happened to be going through my stickers and I saw it and I was like, oh, perfect. Then I used one of the little bows from the kit and a Me Time sticker from the GP Studio just to finish up this spread. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all having an amazing day and staying safe. See you next video. Bye.